relatively simple to do. With this American Standard, you'll see the screws that need to be loosened. At the same time, you can hold on to this nut down here while you unscrew these screws up here. So let's get that part done. I'm using a basic Phillips head screwdriver to hold the screw in place or to turn it while loosening this area. So you can loosen it from there, or you can do it in tandem. I tend to try to do both at the same time. Loosen and from the bolt and from the screw. So as you loosen this, you'll see that as it comes out, this bolt is in two pieces. Each toilet seat is set up slightly differently in the way that they are anchored. So this is part one and part two of this bolt system. Now to do the same thing on the other side. Once again, using the screwdriver to hold it and holding on to the nut. It's easy to unscrew this. And as you can see, it comes off relatively easily. It's just a long screw, so it takes a little bit of time, but no big deal. And there you have it. The two pieces. To adjust the American Standard toilet, as you can see, this slides back and forth. The screws are in here. You would find your perfect location on your toilet seat there and tighten the bolts down as tight as possible. That way it doesn't shift left and right. To remove the seat, it's as simple as just picking it up like that, and the toilet seat is removed. Although my seat area is not messy, it helps to actually clean this before putting in the brand new toilet seat. Yeah, I'm just going to be using some Lysol disinfecting wipes to wipe around the edge here and also within the screw area, the area that the bolts and screws will go in. So just to get this thing clean. Now, in replacing your toilet seat, you have to buy the proper seat. It just so happens that mine, looking at it, it's the elongated seat, which is approximately 18.5 inches from here to here. So that line is 18.5 inches. And this is the elongated, which is what I have, and the round is that shape. Just to check, I'm going to do a dry run on this. I'm just going to place this in space to see if it would fit without opening the package, because if I have to return it, I'd rather return it in good shape than have it open and try to return it. From what I see so far, fitment wise, it looks to be proper. It's to the front and everything here seems to align. So now I just gotta open this package and get it done. So I'm replacing this American Standard with a Kohler. There was no real preference as far as brand, and the price was right. I'll put a link down in the description for toilet seats so you can make your choice also. Continue. It's relatively simple. Once again, we're putting the screws that came with the package into the holes, and this is the nuts that go under. These are nice. They have a little winged area so that you can actually hold on to it while screwing them in. So once again, I'm gonna do the same routine. Easy peasy. Oh wow, that's so easy. And on the second side, same thing. Really easy to do. The adjustments will be easier also. Before you tighten it all the way, just check to make sure that the seat is aligned properly, and do your final tightening ups. And close the covers. And let's see. Nice soft close. It works. It's awesome. All right, guys. So that's it. As far as adjusting it, it's as simple as loosening the bolts once again, lining it up and holding it tight in the positions and tighten the screws again. For toilet seat choices, check down in the description. I'll definitely have a lineup for you of seats there. Remember, these are affiliate links, so thanks for your support of this channel. Stay well.